Good evening. Up first tonight, we're following breaking news. Southbound State Route 347, which is south of Phoenix, is closed right now after a deadly wrong-way crash. Sky 12 over the scene near Riggs Road within the past half hour. DPS confirming to 12 News that 2 people are dead and 4 more are in the hospital.
Investigators say a vehicle driving northbound in the southbound lanes caused this catastrophic crash. ADOT is urging you to avoid the area while DPS troopers investigate. Still no word on the road when the road will be reopen. Vanessa Ramirez will be tracking the closure on 12 Today starting at 4:30 in the morning.